An essay on criticism is a brilliant essay by Pope, who was a famous poet of the 18th century. It has been written in heroic couplets in the Horatian style. In it, Pope prescribes for what good critics should do. At the same time, he also suggests what quality poets should have in their work. In the first part of the essay, Pope says that there is a lack of true taste in the critics. He says, it is with our judgments as our watches. None go just alike, yet each believes his own. What he is trying to say is that each critic has his own opinion, but he should follow the rules of nature. The Greeks understood poetry by following the rules of nature. But at the same time, Pope also says that it is difficult to judge all good work by rules. For this, one has to use one's own discretion, one's own wit. In the second part of the essay, Pope says that critics should look at a piece of work as a whole, in its totality, rather than looking at some of its merits or demerits. Critics should follow the conventions of poetry laid down by their predecessors, the ancients. But they should not just be led by the rules to an extreme. They should also use their own wit. Pope says, true wit is nature to advantage dressed. What oft was thought, but never so well expressed. In the third part of the poem, Pope suggests that in the third part of the poem, the essay, Pope says that the poets should study deeply and have humility in their nature. Poets should study those poets and critics who have understood poetry. Pope goes on to give more examples from Greek culture. He mentions great writers such as Virgil, Homer, Longinus, and many others. In this way, this essay of Pope reminds critics and poets of their duties and responsibilities. Thank you.